Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about the laser lamp install that we've upgraded on a Nissan Navara NP300. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got a massive 10K subscriber giveaway, giveawaying a brand new PlayStation 5 Disc Edition controller, as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier. Link for that is in the description below. But let's get on with today's video. So this is the conversion kit that was upgraded the Nissan Navara NP300 with a linear 36 laser lamp product. This product is phenomenal, guys. Honestly, there's nothing like it on the market. If you're looking into light bars, this has to be the one you go for. What we've got is a really sleek looking design. It's not too obtrusive, but the light it produces is incredible. Driving without this is just, when you have it installed, it's literally like night and day. It's incredible the amount of light output it works from, but also what you've got is it works so seamlessly just off your high beam. So as soon as you engage high beam, we've picked up CAN signals from the vehicle, and as soon as you engage high beam, it automatically turns on and it literally lights up the whole place. It's absolutely incredible. Obviously, with the sleek design, with the look of the vehicle that we've gone for, we've done a full conversion as well on the vehicle. Obviously, all these wheel arches and the wheels and all the full blackout conversions all been done completely in-house. So this just sets it off. We wanted to make this separate video because it's a very, very popular product for us. We do a full kit on laser lamps, and we've also just done an install on a GR Yaris. You can actually see that as well on our YouTube channel. Link for that is in the description below. So whatever the car is, we can either do custom work on laser lamps, but also there's plenty of kits available already live on the LazerLamp website that you can check out. And if they've got a kit available for your vehicle, come by, see us, and we'll get the install done for you. But overall, a really, really nice spec system. What's involved in the actual install: dropping headlining, removing the roof rails, then actually bolting them in using waterproof connectors, but also picking up CAN from the vehicle so it works from that high beam. But obviously the install can be done within a day, but it is a seamless integration onto the vehicle. You've got no wind noise because of the sleek design of it. It really, really performs perfectly well, plus looks incredible too. So thank you for watching our today's video. If you are interested in getting something like this installed, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. More than happy to go through everything with you in a bit more detail, or come by and see us. We are a LazerLamps approved installer, so make sure you come by and see us. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.